Hindi daw maintindihan ni D'Angelo Russell kung paano nagagawa ni Lebron na magdomina sa edad nito. Charles Barkley bilib na bilib din kay LBJ. Isang masterclass performance nga po ang ginawa ni Lebron kanina, kung saan pinangunahan nito ang pagkuha ng Lakers ng momentum noong second quarter. 18 points nga po ang ginawa ni LBJ noong second quarter, kabilang pa dito ang tatlong sunod-sunod na tres na kanyang ginawa. Nagtapos nga pong all-time scoring leader na may 30 points, 5 rebounds at 8 assists, at pinagpahinga na siya noong third quarter matapos lumobo na sa 30 points ang lamang nila sa NOP. At dahil sa 30-point game ni LBJ, nakagawa nga po siya ng record bilang first player sa history ng NBA na nakagawa ng 30 points, 5 plus rebounds at 5 plus assists sa loob ng 23 minutes or less. Record din para kay LBJ bilang quickest 30-point game sa Lakers franchise history. Tunay na nakakabilib ang ipinapakita ngayon ni Lebron James. Dahil sa edad nito na magte-39 na, hindi ka panipaniwala ang ginagawa nito. Maging ang Hall of Famer na si Charles Barkley nga po ay manghang-mangha sa ginawa ng all-time scoring leader, at sinabing alam nyo ba daw kung anong nakakamangha? Ang pinakamatandang si Lebron daw ang nagmukhang pinakabata sa lahat dahil sa ginawang laro nito. Ayon naman kay D'Angelo Russell, sobrang impressive daw mapanood na mag-ibang gear si Lebron. Mas magandang shooting, sobrang bilis at hindi napapagod. Kaya para kay Dilo, hindi niya daw maintindihan kung paano ito nagagawa ni Lebron James.
It's actually impressive to watch him turn it to another gear, you know, in these big games, and he can shoot it better, he's faster, he's more athletic, he's not getting tired. I just don't understand.
Madaming NBA fans nga pong nag-react sa ginawang ito ni Lebron. Ayon sa isang fans, hindi na daw tayo makakakita pa ng isang Lebron James. May isang fans naman na nagsabi na kinuha daw ni LBJ ang soul ng Pelicans mula sa kanyang hit check. Ayon naman sa isang nagkomento, nakakamangha daw talaga si LBJ. Sobrang intelligent daw nito na player. The way kung paano daw nito kontrolin ng bola.
Ever seen. He also said he's the best defender he's seen at his age. Said he can go
in stride. Got it from Russell. And no one.
James Borrego, and he said we have to play with more force and more pace. He said we have to
free LeBron. Last couple years when these two have met, James shifting gears inside. Davis! LeBron with another assist. 8 assists for LeBron James. All the time, Williamson does in the paint, but these three, something to watch.
And coach, as you know, when LeBron James is hitting from beyond the arc, there's no defense for that.
you know, we would say you's in trouble. Because you are. I mean, listen.